This week of the summer school in Riga was a very bright event of the whole designers project about inclusiveness, about including different societies into the art and design education.
This is one of the 3 workshops at the summer camp in Riga, and it's about art accessibility. So therefore, visiting the Latvian Art Museum in order to experience with these masks. Now we're trying to find ideas to improve the museum experience.
Students have possibility to work side by side with the young people with visual impairments. And so it will be a great experience for us, for teachers and tutors, as well as for students.
I was working with a group called Art Space Movement. We're creating new experiences, how we can understand environment and space around us without seeing it.
I help museum to make it more comfortable for blind people.
Students can touch material through story. I think it's absolutely important to work together.